today I want to show us how you can make mega menu like this on GoHighLevel. If you want to make this mega menu, you need to know CSS little, HTML and JavaScript, but I've make everything simple for you to use. So you can make mega menu like this and make your website stand out and unique. For people who have a lot of menu to add to their website, it is now possible with my mega menu system. So let me show you. First, you need to log into your GoHighLevel. Let's log into our GoHighLevel. After you log into your GoHighLevel, select the website you want to use mega menu on. Just select any website or funnel that you want to add your mega menu to. Then click on edit. So for this mega menu to work, you need two things. One, HTML. So you just drag your code element here and paste the code. You will get the code on my description. You paste this code to your HTML element like this. So after you paste this code, I will leave this link to this code in my description. So after you paste this code, you will go to the CSS. Then you will paste this code to the CSS as well. This is the second code you need to paste. So this CSS to beautify the menu, to make it look more beautiful. So you will paste this code to CSS. So after that, you save your work and you will preview. So after you preview, you will see something like this. Something like this, your mega menu will start working. Then you can customize it as you like. You can change the name, change the text, change the color, change the icon, change the anything here. You can change the logo on your custom menu. You can do everything, and it is mobile responsive. It is mobile responsive. Everything is mobile responsive on your menu. So this is mobile. Mobile will have this drop down for the mega menu and this drop down for the mega menu as well. So everything working fine. Let me know if you have any question or concern, and don't forget to like and subscribe so that people can enjoy these great tools. Thank you and see you in the next class.